Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus Sun Moon Venus rising from 4th till the 10th of August. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Taurus, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. Taurus. We have the world card. Okay, somebody here is feeling like even if the situation is gone, even if this is dead, this is done, there is still some kind of unfinished business in the situation, and they feel like finishing the unfinished business here between you and them. There is still something still bothering them, loose ends, not a proper closure in the situation. They're still feeling the unfinished business here, although the situation ended maybe 2 years ago. Who knows? Okay, 2 months, 2 years ago. We have the Knight of Cups, then the Hermit, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, now this person is feeling like coming forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology. They can't stop thinking about this whole situation. Now they are feeling left out in the cold by you, even if they are the one who did something really, really wrong here. See, what is happening here is, Taurus, that you might not be even thinking about this person. You are moving on and you're doing your own thing and you're kind of living your life the way you should. And now this person is feeling abandoned by you. Now they are feeling like, okay, they should at least come forward towards you at least one more time and talk to you very genuinely. Maybe ask for forgiveness, maybe another shot, maybe just a peace offering. They keep on thinking about it, and the more they are kind of thinking about it, the more they are feeling left out in the cold by you, by the whole universe actually. Okay, definitely something happened and that kind of triggered your energies back in their life. Let's see your thoughts, your feelings, your connection that you guys used to share with each other at some point of time. You might be dealing with the Virgo here, by the way. I'm getting it very very strongly. Virgo, Leo, Aries energies. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Ace of Swords. So from your side, you are feeling like you're done with this situation. You're mentally clear. You are kind of feeling successful and victorious in your life, and you're having a brand new beginning in your life, maybe in some other area of your life. And you're kind of very, very practical, very, very logical, and very, very cutthroat here right now in your feelings, in your energies. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords here. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. Yeah, you are kindly like you're kind of feeling like you are done with this collaboration, partnership, this coming together, coming back together with somebody. It was always an on and off, in and out game, and you're done with this. Now you are feeling like you should remain open to the idea of giving another shot, another chance to new people, new situation, new circumstances, and new energies. You are open for the new. You are done with the past. You are done with their games. You are done with this on and off. You are done with this energy of giving them chances over chances over chances. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind, Taurus. If you're a cross watcher, maybe you are the one feeling like this. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Six of Swords. Their intention here is to move on towards calmer water and find a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. They want to like let go of the past baggages. Maybe their intention here is just to come forward towards you, asking for forgiveness genuinely, and then move forward towards calmer water. This person is not able to move on. This person is not able to find the peace. And that this is what they want. Star, Magician, Queen of Cups. Yes, this person is manifesting deep rooted healing here. You know, for most of you, this person doesn't want reconciliation. This person wants a genuine heart to heart heartfelt communication between you and them, and they're manifesting this energy of healing, self healing, self love, self care, and moving forward towards calmer water. Hmm. Because I think this person is now able to understand what they have put you through. Now karma is hitting them back, and now they are realizing what they have put you through, and now they want to come forward towards you with genuine kind of apology message communication, so that they can heal themselves properly and they can move on towards calmer water, with or without you. I don't see this person's energy of strong wanting to have a strong reconciliation, but there is a sense of guilt or regret definitely here. That they want to let go of. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Seven of Cups. You just want to keep your options open, and you want to actually do multiple things at the same time. Maybe you want to distract yourself with a lot of things, and or you just want to explore a lot of things at once. I hope you don't want to confuse yourself, or you just want to run away from the healing portion, or being honest with you portion. Okay, I just hope so. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups here. We have the Three of Wands, the World card, the Ten of Cups. Okay, you're telling me that you're done with the waiting game. You don't want to wait forever for a person to show up in your life, for somebody to show up in a correct way, or for a situation to improve. Now you want to keep your options open, and now you want to connect with that person or find that person that can give you a family kind of a dynamic, a feeling of a family kind of a situation or person, or maybe for some of you, you want to go ahead with your family's choice, and maybe you are kind of okay with your family helping you to find the one for yourself, for your life, for your love life. Okay, but you're telling me you want to keep your options open, and you want to do a lot of things in your life, in multiple areas of your life, and you want to go ahead with somebody who can give you a family kind of energy, family kind of vibe, and a happily ever after kind of a deal. And you're done with the past. You are completely done with the past. You're like, I'm done, chapter close, book close, bye bye. This is coming in your energies from a very long time actually, but this time it's very strong, very very strong. It's like I strongly believe in letting go of this chapter of my life, and I'm done. Goodbye, universe. Please help me to connect with the right person, the one that's meant for me. Okay, honey. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the what we have 10th of August as an outcome, Taurus. We have the Six of Pentacles. It's like equal give and take of energy, balancing it out kind of situation, karma balancing the scales, and you being in a very generous kind of energy of giving. Let me clarify. Let's see. We have the Page of Wands in reverse, the Page of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. Okay, you will be waiting for that kind of a deal. It's like I do see you connecting with multiple energy stars, but not being able to open up to those people, those situations, because of feeling lack of equal give and take of energy, or you are giving too much, or there is no karmic justice. You will be in this energy of waiting for the right kind of energy, right kind of person to show up in your life, so that you can move forward with that person, that energy. Although I do see people approaching you, energies approaching you, multiple energies opening up for you, but you are not going to feel that kind of balance or that kind of sense of justice in a situation, in a direction, and you're going to be like, okay, right now is not the right time, maybe just let me just wait for some more time to connect with the right person, right energy, because this time I'm going to make sure that I'm with the right person, right kind of energy, even if it means that I have to wait a little more longer than I was expecting or anticipating in the situation, in this direction. So it's not because of lack of options, it's because the lack of feeling balanced, lack of feeling like good within a particular situation or direction, you are going to choose to wait. Hmm. For you, the guidance here is the King of Swords. Make sure you are flexible enough to connect with the other people, other situations, the new situation, new people that you are trying to open up with. Taurus, because it seems like even if you're feeling you are open for new love, new situation, new connection, I hope not you are not projecting your past fears, past traumas, and past energies on new people, new situation, new connections. I just hope so, because you're telling me that I know what I want and I'm going to go directly for that. No in between, no talks, no maybe knowing each other part. No. If somebody is ready to settle down, I'm just going to go ahead with that person or that energy only. I want to make sure that I'm on the right track. Yeah, but for that, you have to be flexible enough to understand the other person's energies and fears and traumas and everything, because you might end up projecting your fears, your traumas and your things on a situation that might be actually good for you. Just make sure you are flexible enough and open enough to at least give something or someone a fair chance, a fair shot. We are talking about new people, new energies. Okay, with the past you're kind of 99% done. Energetic codes are still attached, but you're kind of not in that zone anymore. For some of you, you might be still there and you want them, but for most of you, it's a done deal and it's like chapter closed. Yeah, so somebody from your past is waiting for some kind of message, communication, apology from their side, because they are now kind of going through the same kind of abandonment and um, issue that they made you go through at some point of time, and they're manifesting healing in their life because they are not at peace, because they are not able to move forward without this genuine apology, communication, or whatever it means. From your side, you're telling me I'm done with the past, I'm opening up to new people, new situations, and I am moving forward to connect with the person who is actually meant for me, happily ever after kind of a deal. In the outcome, you are telling me that nobody is kind of matching with my vibes, with my energy, so let me wait. And in the guidance, I'm seeing that you are not flexible enough. You are trying to use your mind in the matter of the hearts, and it's kind of not helping you in any way. In the matter of our hearts, we always have to take the risk. Nobody can tell you if somebody is good enough or bad, or good or bad or something, or someone or not. We have to experience, we have to go through that. Nobody can help you in this, Taurus. Hmm. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.